So hello guys and welcome to the lecture of Communication System Engineering. Today in this lecture we'll discuss some important numericals from optical fiber chapters. And before starting these numericals, let's summarize some important formula that are used to solve all these numericals. So first formula you have to remember is P naught dB. So to calculate output power in dB, we have the formula 10 log 10 P naught upon P in. And the next one is to calculate the cable loss, we have the formula L into this cable loss. And here we have, suppose we have to calculate loss in optical fiber. So in terms of length we have the formula alpha dB equals to 1 upon L 10 log 10 P in upon P naught. And similarly here we have the next ones. To calculate numerical aperture we have n into root under 2 dels, and to calculate del we have n1 square minus n2 square upon 2 n1s, and here n represents the refractive index. Or simply we can write n1 minus n2 upon n1, or we can write del n upon n1. And for calculating critical angle we have sin inverse n2 upon n1. And similarly to calculate acceptance angle we have sin inverse n1 square minus n2 squares to the power 1 upon 2. And to calculate numerical aperture we have root under n1 square minus n2 squares. So these all formula will be helpful on solving the numericals. So let's start the numericals one by one. So here in the first numerical we have determine the optical power received in dBms and watt for a 24 kilometer optical fibers link with the following parameters. Here we have given the LED output power of 20 milliwatt given, and similarly we have given 6 4 kilometer sections of optical fiber each with a loss of 0.6 dB per kilometers, and 3 cable to cable connectors with a loss of 2.1 dB each and no cable splices. And here we have given light source to fiber interface loss of 2.2 dB given, and fiber to light detector loss of 1.8 dB and no losses due to cable loss. So here we have the given parameter is LED output power given 20 milliwatt. Similarly cable loss alpha dB is given as 0.6 dB per kilometers, and here and connector loss is given as 2.1 dB per connectors, and light source to fiber loss is given as 2.2 dB, and fiber to light detected loss is given as 1.8 dB. So to calculate the LED output power in dBm we have the formula here P naught dBm equals to 10 log 10 P naught upon P in. And 10 log 10 we have output power given as 20 milliwatt, and input power is not mentioned here, so we assume it as 1 milliwatt. So on solving we'll get here 13.010 dBm. And to calculate the total cable loss we have length into alpha dB means cable loss, and here we have L equals to 24 kilometer given in the questions, and alpha dB is here cable loss. So cable loss is given as 0.6 dB per kilometers. So if you multiply 24 into 0.6 we'll get here 14.4 dB. So the cable loss is here 14.4 dB. Similarly to calculate the total connector loss we have the formula number of connector into connector loss, and number of connector is given as 3. Here we have given in the questions 3 cable to cable connector loss. It means we have given number of connector equals to 3 and connector loss is given as 2.1. Here we have given connector loss 2.1 dB per connector. So if you multiply 3 into 2.1 we will get here 6.3 dB. And the total loss is given as, if you sum up total cable loss plus total connector loss plus light source to fiber loss plus fiber to light detector loss, we'll get the total loss. So on addition of all these we'll get here 24.7 dB, and we know PR dB equals to P total dB minus alpha dB. We have the formula this. So this is also one of the important formula, and here we have given PT total dB given as 13.010. Here we have obtained 13.010 dBm, and alpha dB here we have obtained 24, here 24.7 dB means total loss alpha dB we have obtained right now 24.7 dB. So if we subtract 13.010 dBm minus 24.7 dB, here we have given the value in dBm and here we have dB. Since both have the same unit, so you can easily subtract this. So we'll get here 11.69 dBm. And to calculate this dB in watt we have the formula PR dB equals to 10 log 10 PR milliwatt upon 1 milliwatt. So PR dB right now we have calculated minus 11.69 dBm, and 10 log 10 right now we have to calculate. Here we have PR total power PR megawatt we have, and input power is given as 1. So you can calculate PR in watt. We can get 10 to the power minus 1.169. So you'll get here 0.0677 milliwatt. So PR dV equal to minus 11.69 and PR megawatt in megawatt equal to 0.0677 milliwatt. Sorry, milliwatt here. So in this we can calculate this numericals. So let's jump to next numericals. Here in the second numerical we have given for optical fiber of length. Here length is mentioned as 150 meters and the input power is given as 10 microwatt. And similarly we have output power given as 9 microwatt. And here we have to calculate the loss in dB per kilometer. So simply you can use this formula to calculate. So alpha dB equal to 1 upon L 10 log base 10 and P in upon P naught. So on substituting all these parameters we will get the value of alpha dB, means loss in optical fibers. So you'll get here 3.050 dB per kilometer. Similarly we have third numerical here. A communication system uses a 10 kilometer fibers. Here we have given length 10 kilometer and the loss is mentioned here as 2.5 dB per kilometer. And in this question we have to calculate the output power, and suppose here we have the input loss power is mentioned as 500 microwatt. So here we have to calculate the output powers. So we have given alpha dB, P in, and we have to calculate P naught. So alpha dB equal to 1 upon L 10 log 10 P in upon P naught. So alpha dB is given as 2.5 dB per kilometers and 1 upon L, and value of L is 10 kilometers. So 10 log 10 500 upon P naught. So on solving we will get here P naught, value of P naught as P naught equals to 1.58 microwatt. And here we have the next one. Consider a multi-mode fiber that has a core refractive index of 1.48 and a core cladding index difference of 3%, means value of del is given as 0.03. And in this numerical we have to calculate the numerical aperture, acceptance angle and critical angles. So here we have given value of N1 as 1.48 and value of del as 0.03. So to calculate NA, means numerical aperture, we have the formula here n into root under 2 dels. So here to calculate we can use the value of del as del equals to n1 square minus n2 square upon 2 n1 squares, or that is equivalent to n1 minus n2 upon n1, and that will be also equals to del n upon n1. So right now I have used this formula, del is equals to n square minus n2 square upon 2 n1 square. So the value of del is given as 0.03 and in place of n1 we have 1.48, and here we have to calculate the value of n2. So if you calculate, we will get n2 as 1.43497. And to calculate critical angle, that is theta c, we have the formula sin inverse n2 upon n1. And the value of n1 is already given in the questions, and the value of n2 just now we have obtained here. So on substituting n2 and n1, we will get as 75.677 degree. Similarly, to calculate here acceptance angle, we have theta a equal to sin inverse n1 square minus n2 square to the power 1 upon 2. And we have known value of n1 and n2, so on substituting we will get the value of theta, means acceptance angles. So we will get here 21.4765 degree. And similarly numerical aperture, we have root under n1 square minus n2 squares, so on substituting n1 and n2 we will get here 0.3625. And again one numerical here given as, consider a multi-mode silica fibers that has a core refractive index n1 equals to 1.48 and cladding index n2 as 1.46. So in this numerical we have to calculate the value of Na, means numerical apertures, theta c means here critical angle, and theta a means here acceptance angles. So to calculate Na we have the formula root under n1 square minus n2 square. Similarly for theta a we have sin inverse Na, means value of Na is root under n1 square minus n2 square. Similarly to calculate theta we have sin inverse n2 upon n1. So we will get all these values. So in this way you can calculate the numerical related to optical fibers. Hope you enjoy the lectures. Thanks for watching this.